Hey there and welcome or welcome back. I'm Christina Amanita and I love all things thrifty and crafty and naturey. And today we are doing a spring cleaning video. So I am gonna be shopping my closet. We're gonna try on some things, see what things might be ready to go, see what things might need some editing, some updating, and maybe see what gaps I'm having so that I know what to make in my spring wardrobes video. So let's look through. I'm not gonna try on every single thing, I won't say that, but let's look through and try on a lot of clothes. I might regret doing this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just dump out the bins. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna put it all on the bed because that's what people like to see. So let's get into it. I'm just like, what is going on? All right, here it is. I mean, there's still some stuff not in this pile, but this feels like enough to get started. So let's get into it and start kind of like looking at everything, remembering what I have, figuring out what is going into the spring wardrobe and what can go back in the bins. Oh boy. This might have been a mistake. All right, we're gonna start with the hanging clothes just so I feel like we have some sort of order. The goal is to like have all the things that I need and like a functional working wardrobe without having too much to overwhelm me, but be able to dress for the wide range of weather that we have here in the Northeast. So let's get into it. First, we've got the scarves. I love all these scarves. I think I might put this one away for the season, and the rest I'm going to keep out for now. So that was easy. That's done. All right, so these next ones, we're just gonna hold them up and say what we're doing with them, I think, because most of them I feel pretty confident about what's next for them. So let's do that. Okay, we polished off all of the hanging stuff. That's a good step. So lots of stuff got hung back up. Lots of stuff is going back in, going over here to be tried on to decide what to do. And there's a couple things that are going in for the warmer months and a couple things that are going in for the colder months back into the bins. So what's next? What is next? Let's do some tops from the bins. Through this. All right, next we're gonna do turtlenecks because I have lots of them, and there's some that are too wintry that need to go away and some that are spring that need to come out. some of these are full, so they can go away right away. This one. This one. This one's more fall, but I'm gonna leave it out for the spring, I think. And then this one is winter, so that one can go away. I think that's pretty good. So the white one I don't wear very often, so I keep this somewhere else. But I'm gonna try on this one, I think, just to see how it fits and if I still like it. Oops. And the rest of these will stick around a bit longer until winter's really over. So this one I'm gonna wash and put away. All right, I'm gonna try on this one too. So these two go in the try on, and these go away. And I'm gonna try this on as well. All right, we'll do sweaters and sweater vests next, because there's lots of that. And we're gonna make this a flash round, I think. Okay. All right, so many sweaters, so many sweater vests. We're through it though. So what's left is pants, which I've been avoiding. So we're gonna finish like the tops. So there's just like miscellaneous, like button downs and other random tops. And then we'll get into the bottoms. All right, so last step is the pants, I believe, and then like overalls, but pants. So I have way too many pants, and this is gonna make it abundantly clear, but let's go through them and see which ones are suitable for spring. All right, we did the pants. Last is one piece things. So let's get it done and then we'll try on all the stuff that I'm unsure about.
I am, of course, keeping my overalls. I love them. I love these ones. And I love all my one pieces. So we'll be keeping all of these.
All right, it's time to try on the question marks. So, I'm gonna get some water first and then prepare myself mentally. Now we're gonna finish this video. Here we go.
All right, trying on. So first, this turtleneck. It's kind of springy. It's got flowers, and I love it still. Yay! This quilt jacket is from my mom. It's vintage, it's silk, and it's kind of ruined, so I'm just trying to figure out what is the right move for this. I think this is gonna go in my project pile for my building my spring wardrobe. Stay tuned. Then there's this awesome reversible quilt jacket I've had a while. I thrifted this and I've been thinking about dyeing it, but I feel like it's not worth risking it. So I'm just gonna try and wear it again this spring and see if I like it enough to keep it or give it away to somebody who would love it so much. Next is this vest my partner got for me a couple years ago. I love it, but it's just kind of big. I like how it looks in the front, but the back is a little bit too big for me. So I think this one is also going to go in my spring update pile. Next is this vest. I think it's great. I'm going to keep it. I wasn't sure because I have several vests, especially denim vests now, but I love the way that this looks on me, at least in this turtleneck. So we'll keep this one for now. All right, these funky jeans, I love them so much, but they have a couple of different problems with them. The pockets, the crotch, and then I replaced the zipper a while ago and I just didn't do a very good job. So these are also going in the project pile for spring. Okay, and then we've got this blue gingham button-down shirt. I thrifted this back in the fall. And this one I think I'm just gonna try to do something simple with, maybe put like a patch on the pocket. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned for, again, my building my spring wardrobe series of videos so you can see me update some of these items. All right, this top I have had in the giveaway pile and then out of the giveaway pile so many times over the last couple years. I'm gonna give it one more chance this spring and then really give it to somebody else if I don't wear it because it's not quite my colors, but it is very cute, so it serves a good purpose. And then this nice vintage top. I really like this, but it has a few holes in it, I think just from being washed. So hopefully we'll patch up those holes this spring and see if I can wear it some more. Next we have this vintage top. I cut out the shoulder pads of this because I got it before I realized the power of shoulder pads many, many years ago. And I go back and forth about it being too big, but I think it works the way it is. Again, this is another one I'm just gonna try this spring and then hopefully decide whether to keep it, give it away, or maybe tailor it so it's a little smaller and works a little better. But I think I like it kind of floppy like this. Then there's this cat shirt, again, just kind of a little big, but I'm gonna give it another chance. I don't usually wear black is part of the problem, but sometimes there's a reason to wear black, so I guess we'll keep it around for now. It's got a cat, it's pretty cute. Ooh, this green turtleneck, I got this for like literally a quarter at a church sale last year. It's got the lettuce hem, which I really like, and it kind of reminds me of, I think it's Kina and Tam, is that correct? Maybe. So I think I should put like a little patch on it like they do in Kina and Tam. So this one will be updated in my spring wardrobes videos. Stay tuned. Ooh, this top, it looks so bad now looking at this video. I don't know why I kept it so long. I'm thinking about maybe turning it into a tank top. Maybe the sleeves are what the problem is. It just feels a little small to me, but I do like the color. So this one is in the project pile and may eventually get donated. We will see. Ooh, these pants that I upcycled last year, I added a little flare to them. I do really like them. I think I'm gonna put them back in my spring wardrobe and give them a try this year and see Maybe if I want to make them more of a barrel leg, because I've been wanting some barrel leg pants, so maybe I'll re-upcycle these ones. And then we've got these funky pants. These just need a hem. They just need to be brought up a little bit. They're a little bit too long. And I've never actually done just a shortening of a hem before, so this should be a fun, easy project in my spring wardrobes video series.
All right, friends, we did it, and it feels more like spring already. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I found some good items that I missed. Felt like shop in my closet. They really do mean it when they say that. I did a lot of organizing and cleaning, so I'm a little bit tired. But I'm excited to wear all this stuff for spring and to show you some of my fits and to get to make some new things that fit in and to update some of the things that need a little love and tenderness and care. So thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.